Welcome to Vaman Vriksh Vatika, nestled in the scenic surroundings of Ekta Nagar, near the world's tallest statue, the majestic Statue of Unity. This unique garden invites you into a fascinating world where nature is shaped into miniature living art, celebrating beauty, patience, and creativity. The name Vaman Vriksh itself carries a beautiful meaning. In Indian mythology, Vaman is the fifth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, also known as the Vaman Avatar, symbolizing humility and balance. Inspired by this idea, the art of growing and shaping miniature trees came to be known as Vaman Vriksh. Spread across 3.25 acres, Vaman Vriksh Vatika celebrates the timeless art of miniature trees. It offers a serene space where nature, creativity, and tradition come together in perfect harmony. Here, every tiny tree tells a story and the beautiful bond between humans and nature. As you enter the Vatika, a 900-meter walking path gently guides you through this serene garden. Along the way, you will discover 1,186 Vaman Vrikshas, representing 65 different plant species. What makes this place even more special is that these miniature trees come from 18 different countries, making the Vatika a truly global collection. Here you will find 6 themed Vatikas, a children's play area, comfortable gazebo seating spaces, and beautifully designed landscape elements that enhance the peaceful environment of the garden. Together, these elements create a refreshing atmosphere where visitors can relax, explore, and connect with nature. Over time, this ancient knowledge traveled beyond India. As Buddhist monks journeyed across Asia, they carried with them the art of cultivating miniature trees. By the 7th century, the tradition reached China, where it evolved into an art form known as Bonsai. Centuries later, in 18th century Japan, it became deeply connected with Zen Buddhism. From there, this timeless practice spread across the world, gaining global recognition as bonsai. Visitors can also explore the Interpretation Center, where a short film introduces the concept and story behind Vaman Vriksh Vatika. This presentation provides deeper insights into the science, philosophy, and cultural heritage behind the art of miniature trees. One of the most engaging experiences here is the Make Your Own Bonsai Corner. At this special space, guests and nature lovers can learn how miniature trees are carefully shaped and nurtured. A skilled local woman artisan, an expert in the art of bonsai, demonstrates the delicate techniques involved in creating these living masterpieces. Those who wish can even try crafting their own bonsai, making the experience interactive and unforgettable. A gentle walk through this serene garden is not just a visual delight, it is a journey into the timeless tradition of nurturing nature in its miniature form. With 53 unique varieties of plants, Vaman Vriksh Vatika presents a beautiful harmony of nature, heritage, and creativity. So the next time you visit Ekta Nagar, take a moment to explore the charm and artistry of Vaman Vriksh Vatika. Step into this unique world where nature transforms into art, small in size, yet grand in beauty.